Drones have become an essential tool for companies, the military, emergency responders. In this week's Made in Connecticut, we head to Stratford to meet with Wave Aerospace, the maker of heavy weather operation and mission drones.
Our mission is to build aircraft that can fly when other aircraft can't.
We really shatter the typical performance characteristics of quadcopters that people are used to seeing.
Wave Aerospace in Stratford is the maker of commercial, high-performance unmanned aerial vehicles, or drones. It was co-founded by aerospace engineer Steve Boeffel and pilot and entrepreneur Mark Strauss.
We have gusty winds, and yet the aircraft is staying in exactly the position we want it to.
Their first drone to market, the all-weather Falcon, designed for law enforcement and emergency management.
Our Falcon aircraft can fly at 80 miles an hour. It can handle 60-knot winds. A typical quadcopter that's out there of that size would be lucky if it can handle 30-knot winds and can't even reach half that speed.
It's 100% electric, so in this case it works on a single battery, which is right here, and it gets about an hour of flight time with that battery. This camera, which sits on the bottom of the aircraft, is gyro stabilized, and it's designed not only to look for people visually or from the heat of their body, but it can also identify things that it sees. It's called object recognition.
The company was started 7 years ago and was part of Connecticut's Technology Incubator program. Today, Wave has a portfolio of drones, including the Huntress Turbojet.
This aircraft actually has a jet engine in the center of it. And that jet engine is very efficient, and it helps lift and push the plane forward, while the outer motors continue to help stabilize it and steer it. The turbines are actually being turned by electricity. In its larger sister aircraft, the Huntress Turbojet, the aircraft's center engine is actually a standard turbojet that runs on jet fuel. It's actually limited by software to fly at Mach 0.4, which is about 300 miles an hour.
As an example, if you're on a ship and you need to observe something way out at sea, you can launch very quickly, get to your target 100 miles out, come back incredibly quickly.
This is actually the inside of our newest aircraft. We refer to it as the Mule, which is a multi-mission utility, logistics, and expedition aircraft.
And this is used for what?
This is used to carry goods from one point to another.
Speed, agility, and all-weather performance aircraft. So that have Wave Aerospace developing drones for the problems of today and creating solutions for the challenges of tomorrow. And if you'd like to learn more about the company, we have a link to their website at news12.com. Head over to the Features tab, and then you just click on Made in Connecticut.